In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Imgur widget on your WordPress site. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, we'll cover everything you need step by step in just around 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is the platform where you'll be making all the changes you need to display an Imgur widget. Once you're there, you'll see a button to log in at the top right corner. Click on that and it will take you to the login page. Here, you have a few options for logging in. To make things simple and efficient, we'll use the Google account login. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. You'll then be prompted to choose your Google account. This is the account linked to your WordPress, so make sure to select the correct one. If you haven't yet linked your Google account to WordPress, you'll have to do this first, but once linked, it should show up as an option for you. After selecting your account, you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now let's head over to your site editor. On the right panel, under Quick Links, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it. This will take you to your WordPress site editor where you can make changes to your website's content and layout. Once in the editor, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an Add button there. Click on it. This button allows you to add various elements or blocks to your page, such as text, images, and more. But today we're focusing on adding an Imgur widget. In the search bar that appears, type in Imgur. This will filter the blocks available to you and show you the relevant options. What you're looking for is the Imgur embed. Once you see it, click on Imgur embed to add this widget to your page. This feature is particularly handy for those who want to integrate images or other content directly from Imgur into their WordPress site seamlessly. With the widget added, you can now customize it by embedding content directly from Imgur. Simply go to Imgur, find the content you want to display, such as an image or album, and copy the embed code. Paste this into the Imgur block on your WordPress page, and voila, your selected Imgur content will appear on your site. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added the Imgur widget to your WordPress site. Now you can embed and share your favorite Imgur content with your visitors. It's as simple as that. Enjoy customizing your site and sharing unique visual content with your audience, making your WordPress site more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.